So your body awareness increases. So beyond that, where does that help in terms of changing your habits?
Well, Feldenkrais often said that we move in accordance with our self-image.
Uh-huh.
And if there are parts of our self-image that are absent from us, if we're not aware of them, if we don't sense them, they're not going to participate in our movement.
Right.
Now, in a way, all Feldenkrais lessons are addressing this idea that he had of improving the self-image, to be more fully aware of yourself, more fully aware of your movements and your sensations, so that all of you can participate more equally in the movements. And when that happens, then your movements become more graceful, they become lighter, easier, even more powerful by using less effort.
Right.
So it resolves, conflicts that you may have had, which may have been emotional, psychological, or just, from two habits not working together when you're trying to achieve a certain goal.
Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah.
so that's fundamental idea. And in a way, all Feldenkrais lessons are addressing that through different aspects of functioning and ability.
Yeah.